See students, it was summer. It was summer. What is the weather of summer? Yes, it is so hot. It is so hot. Now, Joe was crawling on the leaves and eating the green leaves. Eating the green leaves. It crawled and started eating all the green leaves. Now, the season changed into autumn. Now, the season changed into autumn. The leaves turned yellow. Now, after eating so much, Joe was feeling so much tired. Joe feel so much tired. It wanted play but not able to play. It wanted play but Joe not John not able to play. It was so slow. It was so tired and it thought of finding a comfortable place. To take a rest. Now, Joe found of a grapevine. Now, Joe found a grapevine. You know grapevine, students? You know grapevine? What is grapevine? Grapevine is a plant on which where grapes grow. Grapevine, that is a plant on which grapes grow. So it found a comfortable place on a bunch of grapevine and it started to sleep. Before sleeping, Joe formed a blanket, a soft blanket, and entered that went for a sleeping. He created a blanket. Okay. That went for sleeping. In the spring, the sun came out with its bright sunbeams. You know what is blanket? Before that, what is blanket? Yeah, students. When you feel cold, you also wrap under the blanket. So, Joe started sleeping under the blanket. Now, the season changed. Now, in that picture, see, the season changed into winter. What happened in winter? Yes, the snow start falling. And leaves of grapevine also covered with the snow. Leaves of the grapevine also covered with the snow. Okay. But Joe didn't even know thing. I was so sleeping, so tired. It was keeping on a sleeping. Okay. Joe didn't none of anything. He wanted to sleep. After winter, the season changed. After season changed into spring. Okay. That is the winter season, and after winter, the season will change. The sun came out and leaves and the plant came out after a long sleep. And now Joe was feeling warm. Because sunbeams are out. Sunbeam means sun rays. Yeah, very good. So that Joe feeling warm. It slowly stretched out from blanket. Stretch out? Yes, stretch out means when you wake up in the morning, you stretch up yourself. So like that, caterpillar also stretch. In the same way, Joe also stretch up. And no, what happened? The blanket crack. And you know what happened to the blanket? Blanket crack. Oh, my blanket has cracked. Caterpillar said, oh, my blanket has cracked. The blanket broke out. Crack means the blanket broke out. Joe came out slowly to see what is happening around. And now Joe have turned into a beautiful butterfly. Now Joe have turned into a beautiful butterfly. Now where is the caterpillar? Now where is the caterpillar? Yes, students, the caterpillar has changed into beautiful butterfly with a colorful wings. It's able to fly in over. Joe was very happy. So this was the story of Joe the baby caterpillar. I hope you understood. Got it, students? Okay. So let's do an activity in page number 1. Yes. One activity. Take a paper, cut it into circle, draw a beautiful butterfly, then paste it on a thick cardboard. You can use it as a tea mat. You can use it as a tea mat. After doing this activity, ask your parents to take its picture and send it to me. Okay, students? One another activity is there on page number 2, a butterfly. A butterfly is given you. You can join the dots and color the butterfly beautifully. Okay? Did you understand, students? Okay. So, I hope you understood the story Joe the baby caterpillar. So, do the activity, read a book 2 times. That's all for today. Thank you.